recipe today. Today we are making Indonesian fried rice. Super fast, super easy, super delicious. Let's dive right into the ingredients. First, we have bacon. Bacon will give a lot of flavor and our oil to cook the fried rice. We have ham, eggs, carrots, color, rice, and some spices. And we have special sweet Indonesian soy sauce. I'm not covering how to cook white rice in this video, but we'll leave a link in the description of how to cook white rice. Usually, we'll leave it out for a day once we have it cooked. Key to the Indonesian fried rice is the temperature, timing, and ingredient. The first thing you need to do is get your special pan, a wok. If you don't have a wok, you can always use a regular pan. First thing we're going to do is set our stove to medium-high. What we're going to do while we wait for our pan to heat up is we are going to cut our onion. Now our pan is hot. Now it's time to fry the bacon. After you touch meat, you always have to wash your hands. I'm separating the bacon so it cooks evenly and they don't all cook differently. I'm going to use the grease as my oil to cook my fried rice. Okay, the bacon's ready and now it's crispy, so now we're going to take them off. And we're going to leave the oil on the pan to use it later for when we cook our rice. Now that the bacon's done, I'm finishing up the last of my preparation.
Perfect. Onions look great.
Now I'm going to cut the carrots. Now that we've got all our ingredients prepared, I'm going to bring them all over to get ready. We left our bacon grease in the wok, and now we are going to set our stove to medium-high, and we are going to cook. The first thing we're going to put in is our rice. We're going to break up the Now we're going to break up the rice so it's not in clumps. When you're done separating your rice, it's important to put in your ingredients in the right order. We are going to start with carrots, because carrots are the hardest. Need to simmer in the pan so the carrots have room to get to the pan directly. So now I'm just going to put some carrots in. Put all your carrots in. Now we're going to put in the onions. Now we're going to mix it all up. Now we're going to add.
I don't need to add that whole thing, maybe about half.
We're going to add a little bit of our soy sauce.
Okay,
And mix it down again. And now we're gonna mix it around again.
So the whole thing starts to look even light brown, huh?
Yeah. Next, we're gonna add our ham and our green onion about the same exact time. And now, once you put our stuff in, we're gonna add a little bit of garlic powder on the side, or just a little bit around.
Okay, now it all needs to be mixed up.
And once again, mix it up. Lastly, we're going to add a bit of pepper, just a bit, and a pinch or two of salt. You might be thinking, well, Micah, this just looks like ordinary fried rice. Well, our secret ingredient is the special Indonesian sweet soy sauce. So we are going to add some of that in.
That's enough, that's enough. Hey parents, this is Lunch Lab's dad. You might need to help your kids with mixing this because once you've got 4 cups of rice in here and all the ingredients, it starts getting really heavy. And one of the keys to good fried rice is being able to continue mixing it while it's on heat. If you have a gas stove, this is actually quite a bit easier because you can lift your pan without losing heat. But on a electric stove like we have here, you've got to keep the pan down, so it's a little less forgiving, but not too hard either way. So we've added in the sweet soy sauce. The sweet soy sauce, we've noticed, can burn pretty easily, a little bit easier than maybe regular soy sauce. But if you keep mixing it, you don't have that problem. So we're continuing to mix. All right, so we're gonna add in, I'm gonna go ahead and, I think we might have added in enough sweet soy sauce, Micah, but maybe we should taste it. Let's pause, let's get a little.
We're going to try it out to see if we've added enough soy sauce.
It should be pretty sweet, hint of salty, but mostly sweet. I think it's good.
Last but not least is the eggs. But before you do that, you have to put some olive oil or vegetable oil in the middle so they don't stick to the pan.
And spread the oil around.
Then and just put it in.
Afterward, you put them all in. Gotta go a little quicker, bud. Then we go ahead and scramble them.
Now we're
You
going
don't want to rinse your hand. Just go ahead and start stirring them like scrambled eggs.
Now you just stroke your eggs back and forth.
The eggs look a little gooey, but so one of the things we're probably gonna talk about is we've been turning the heat up and down depending on what we're cooking. So like right now we're cooking eggs, right? And we're not trying to slow cook the eggs, right? We're just doing this. We're basically making scrambled eggs with rice mixed into it. Well, you can scramble your eggs first if you want. We always cook them at the very end because eggs cook really quickly. And eventually these are all going to be mixed in with the rice and little chunks of egg. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and start mixing it. There we go. Cook. Good. And now you'll see the egg is starting to mix in with the rest of the rice. Okay, great. I'm going to add a little bit more soy sauce because I was thinking about it. I want it to be a little bit sweeter. Okay, great. Pour it out and I can mix it around. So while this finishes up, I'm going to finish mixing this. Okay, I think we're done. Just going to go ahead and let it finish out there. All right. A special message about sweet soy sauce. Go ahead and look up here, buddy. See that? Okay, it says sweet soy sauce, ABC brand. This is the type we always use. Pretty common in Indonesia, but you can get it at most, well, many Asian food stores. And if not, you can actually order it on Amazon, though it's kind of expensive on Amazon. But it's kind of this, it's not like normal soy sauce, which is really liquidy. This is pretty thick. It's kind of like a syrup. But it's soy sauce, it's great. Goes on rice really well. If you're just having rice, some meat with this on it, it's fantastic. So that's kind of our secret ingredient that takes it from normal fried rice to our special fried rice.
We forgot to add in our bacon, but we just added it in last minute. You can put it in, you can put it in and mix it around. We're going to get this rice ready for our taste tester. Surprise! The taste tester is me. Okay, so we're going to get one scoop of our fried rice and try.
Is it hot?
It's an easy meal, it's delicious, and it doesn't take much of your day at all. It's kid tested and kid approved. See you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and comment down below what you think we should make next. Bye. Have a great time.